All right, let's take a closer look at our forecast as we move into the week, because we're talking about heat and really extreme heat. Let's take a look at some of those numbers as we move into tomorrow. And look, it's going to get a lot hotter later in the week. Wednesday, that heat really starts to kick in. But for tomorrow, still pretty warm. The coast is comfortable in the 70s. You'll see 75 degrees in Manhattan Beach, 75 in Santa Monica, 84 as we head to Long Beach, 90 in Whittier, and 86 in Anaheim. So temperatures as we move to the basin, a little warmer, 80s, and inland 90s. We're really not seeing triple digits yet being the operative word, because temperatures will start to really crank up as we move toward the end of the week, especially inland. The IE, for example, going under the next weather alert in the upper 90s tomorrow, which is substantial as far as the heat goes, but it's only getting hotter. So that warming trend is underway. We've got less clouds for everybody. Excessive heat continues. In addition to the excessive heat and the potential for record-breaking numbers, we could also see elevated fire danger over the next few days. So we're going to be talking about elevated fire danger as the days go on. We have a red flag warning that's out from the National Weather Service because of the elevated conditions. Otherwise, as we take a look at our next weather alert right here, in effect Wednesday, lasting through Saturday, increased fire danger really staying with us, dry and hot, and again, record-breaking numbers. So it's extreme as far as that heat is concerned, and pretty much everybody inland under the alert, with the exception of the basin, and still could get extended to the basin. There is a chance that we could get this next weather alert extended to the basin as the heat comes on. The coast will be the only place where we're not going to be under an alert, where temperatures will be a little cooler. There's that red flag warning I was referring to as we move into the next few days. So we're looking at conditions very similar to some conditions we've seen before the lake fire, for example. So at this point, we're really on high alert as far as fire goes. As far as the basin in Orange County goes over the next few days, your next weather 7-day forecast showing you 80s, quickly turning to 90s. As we check out one more next weather 7-day forecast right here for the valleys, you'll see 90s quickly turning to triple digits. The next weather alert remains in effect Wednesday through Saturday for our valleys. And finally checking in with the Inland Empire, 90s quickly getting up to the hundreds Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday before we get just a touch cooler and we're out of alert territory by Sunday and Monday.